no more. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, 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 but I like to party, no more.
So hey guys, today we will going to tackle about sine curve. A sine wave or sinusoid is a mathematical curve that describes a smooth periodic or continuous. It is named after the function sine of which it is a graph. It occurs often in both pure and applied mathematics, as well as physics, engineering, signal processing, and many other fields. Because the sine function is being graphed on the y and in the x and y plane, you rewrite this as f of x is equal to sine x, where x is the measure of the angle in radians. So now how to graph the sine curve? First thing that we need to do is we need to find the values for domain and range, and then calculate the graph's x-intercept, calculate the graph's maximum and minimum points, and then sketch the graph of the function. So for example, if we are going to graph y is equal to sine x, our graph will be this one. Our graph, or this one. So now we will going to determine the amplitude, period, maximum, minimum, range, and of our graph. So amplitude is the distance from the x-axis going to the maximum point, or from the x-axis or the horizontal line going to the minimum point. So amplitude in y is equal sine x is 1. Sorry, 1 here. And then period is the complete one cycle. So what is the period of the sine curve? The period of the sine curve is the length of one cycle of the curve. The natural period is 2 pi. And then the minimum point of our graph is here. Is negative 1. The maximum is 1. The domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity.